Alright, what's up guys? So I'm in the CB7. Jules is probably gonna meet me down at Hybridworks, but it's Dyno day, so that is super exciting. We are finally going to be getting the CB on the dyno again now that we got the full exhaust and everything else done. So I'm about to head there right now. I'm about to get some gas in the car. Even though we have half a tank, I'm gonna throw in some fresh 91 octane and pray that we get some good numbers. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so we made it to Hybridworks. We're about to get in. There's a Mustang before it's going on for some dyno pulls, so we're going to be observing. This thing is sick. Motherfucker's loud, bro. We got the boy Mazi here. You ready for this?
Oh,
shit,
you
bro?
started it? What's up? My bad. Guys, I woke up. Actually, I didn't even sleep. That's why I'm kind of like all over the place. But we got the boy. It's not even your car.
Not yet.
Shit off. Wait till your car.
Wait. All right. We're about to get the boy Mazi's reaction to popping the hood on the CB.
Bro, this is beautiful. I like it.
You mess with it? Try to keep it like OE.
Mm-hmm. Bro, this is nice.
Thank you. Yeah.
JC, no shit.
Dude, JC.
Oh, this is painted, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Bro, it looks
Powder
nice,
coated
like
black
cement.
to match everything, and then the motor mounts are the same color.
Bro, it looks hella nice.
Thank you.
Sick, bro. Here, hold your hood. I don't wanna.
Hi guys, I came to check out what Kay was up to.
Yeah, so we're pretty much just spending time waiting. We're about to be on the dyno in a bit, but she has to head out, so she won't be able to see it. Ahmad also had to leave because we ran out of parking space, so we will continue with me doing the recording.
Hi.
Alright guys, so we're done being dyno tuned. We made 207 to the wheels, 164 wheel torque. So the exhaust did restrict it a little bit. We lost like 2 horsepower, but honestly for the noise, I'm not tripping. Really satisfied. Big shout out to Anthony at Hybridworks over here. Anthony, you want to say what's up to the vlog real quick?
Oh, what's up?
Honestly, if you guys need a Honda tuned or something, come by and see him, because that is the spot where I've gotten both of my cars tuned. Really satisfied with all the work they've done for me.